Hey guys, welcome back to QBoy, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really effective and very easy pen shooter. All you need is a pen tube that has 2 holes in it, see-through, and a pen cartridge and the rubber band. This is how it works. You put the rubber band over the pen, hold the pen in, and as you can see, it's stuck into it. That's a big hole. Okay guys, to make it, we're just gonna use this pen and a rubber band. So first what you're gonna want to do is to take out your pen out, take out the spring, take this, as we'll need it, and you'll have to take the pen. There we go. So now what we've got is this little pen tube that has 2 holes inside. So this is what you want. Make sure that you've got a tube that has 2 holes in it. That way we can shoot the pen with this like that. So now take a rubber band, put it around here, or approximately at the top. Now you're going to want to do a few ties, so just spin your rubber band around, tie it over the top, spin it again, tie it over the top, and now once you've got that, take this bit, this is going to be a shooter, take it and put it around the end of the pen shooter to make it like that. So now you've already got your shooter. Now it's quite simple. So once you've got it around the end, put your pen in, and you push the end of the pen, or push the rubber band. While it pushes, hold on to the rubber band in the pen. Once you've got this, you got this thing. What you're going to want to do is pull it back and let go. Like this. So I don't even know where it is, so I'll have to go find it. So I found it, and as you can see, that was actually really powerful. So watch out, this is a very deadly weapon, and don't try to shoot it at someone. It can hurt them very critically. Let's try a few more shots. Oh. So now, as you can see, this is actually gone right through the box. You can see that's gone quite deep. So once we take it out, you can see how deep it is. That's how deadly this pen shooter is. So watch out, but also have fun. If you guys like that quick pen shooter tutorial, subscribe for more, and I'll try to come up with more life hacks.